melted right in, y'all. Amazing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. And yes, this is the same day as the last two videos. Like I said in the last video, we came for the hair. So anyways, this unit I have is from WestKiss. WestKiss is one of the favorite brands I like to work with. I usually love their hair. And this is a longer unit. My last two units were bobs, but now I'm back with some length and a little bit of color. The Beyonce a little bit, but a little bit darker than what she would normally wear. I'm loving how the companies are catering to the wigs just being done already, because it has been so little work for me. And as a wig reviewer, that's been great. Y'all don't understand, like trying to customize these wigs and bleach the knots and make sure everything look perfect. It's a lot of work behind the scenes. But now I just gotta pop it on and go for real. Like all of the convenience of a synthetic, but human hair. So this is a frontal unit. It is pre-done already for us, and it's pre-cut, and it looks like it's pre-plucked actually very well. Like they went in with the pre-plucked job. I'm here for it. It has a comb in the back. There are none on the sides, but it does have an adjustable band in it that you can also take out if you want to. There is also a comb right in the middle, but I probably won't use that. So let's pop this on and we're done. No, very spacious. Like it's not gonna slide on my head and it's not dragging off the back. But this is a pretty spacious unit, very comfortable. And they really did it with this pre-pluck because you can really see far back on my cap. The only thing that I'm seeing so far is that the way this frontal is set up, it does not cover me ear to ear. It doesn't really match it with my hairline, like right in there, which happens from time to time, and it's cool because my side's gonna be covered anyway. So I'm gonna just position this right there. I'm actually gonna secure this down with some spray. This would actually be a unit where you might want to do a bald cap if you have the time, the patience, and the capability to do it. Am I gonna do that today? No. But if I were really securing this down, like this is what I was wearing for a while, I would. The lace is very thin. I'm impressed with that. But I will say it's a little bit, it doesn't effortlessly blend as well as the other ones I've tried, the last two. But not because something's wrong with this lace. I just feel like it's because it's just a little bit lighter than the other laces. Like the other laces I've had, it's like once I put the mousse on it, it would kind of disappear. Even though I still need to touch it up, it wasn't as noticeable as this is. But that's still fine because I'm gonna just tint it up real quick. Just like that. They really did this pre-pluck because you can see all of what's going on in my cap. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is take my elastic band and put this on. And then I'm gonna just tame down this top with some mousse real quick because it's a little frizzy up top, but it made it look a little more natural in my opinion. And I'm not gonna pluck anymore at that hairline because it was good. And it didn't need no help from me. The curls are already tamed. I ain't gotta brush nothing out because I didn't need the pluck. Okay. Wow, this might be the quickest I've ever done install with human hair at least. And this is a whole frontal. So y'all, this lace is amazing lace. I'm shook right now. Like it is so thin. This is celebrity quality lace. Like this can hit the red carpet and you wouldn't see it. Not even in the Getty images that be unfiltered. Wow, I am amazed by this lace. The only thing I would say is you should definitely do a bald cap. Like in hindsight, a bald cap is necessary. I do want it to lay down a little bit more on my head. Not too far. Because this is a little bit big, I think I am actually going to spray this down so it stays. So, oh my God, that is a flawless blend. But for this area, because it is so flawless, we're gonna have to touch this up. We can't just be out here like that. And I would use a smaller brush. If you have a smaller makeup brush, I just don't know where mine is at the moment. But I'm just going to fill it in with a brown eyeshadow because his hair is brown, obviously, I guess. But yeah, I'm just touching that up with a brown eyeshadow so it covers up that hole. So I'm just put some foam into the hair just to tame down these curls a little bit. But I really didn't need to do much because it's already super defined. Take some of this Tresemme holding spray and I'm gonna just put it on the wig hairline to hold me down, because this is moving, like, moving a lot. Like, it's not gonna sit still, which is cool by me. I don't mind, you know, having a little bit of my wig secured, but you know, you can't be sliding back on me. The wind blows, I'm done. And it melted right in, y'all. Amazing. Girl on TikTok, pop, amazing. That's how I'm feeling about these curls. Pop, amazing. I even got the flat iron. The only thing I'm gonna do here is kind of frame my face a little bit with these curls. Is the final look. This was very, very easy to put on. I really don't have too many complaints. I don't know if it's quite my blonde yet, but I'll see in the playback when I edit this video. But this is a really cute color nonetheless. Very easy to install, super beginner friendly if you're trying to get into frontals, but you're like, I don't know about all that. This, no work. Y'all saw I really had to do nothing. And curly wigs are always great to start with, because curly wigs, you know, there just ain't much to it. The curls are light and fluffy, you guys, super soft. WestKiss doesn't disappoint, so I'm not surprised. But if you're interested in this unit, it will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
If you go